Hi, we're in City Toy Center, which is a toy shop in Little India that specializes in remote control helicopters. They have a new model that we're going to get because it's totally cool. It's a 4.5 channel helicopter about this big. We're going to demo it right here. Check it out. Look at the control. Now, if you want a bigger helicopter, they have bigger helicopters all up to outdoor use with a lot of wind. This one's primarily for indoors use, no wind, but you can fly it outdoors if there's no wind. The prices are really good here because I think they deal in bulk purchasing of remote control helicopters. So if you want to come and play, get a helicopter, come to Little India, City Center Toys, the place to be.
Monkey see, monkey like, monkey do. BananaMana.com